Here's my shroud for a Webasto heater made out of a Harbor Freight ammo can. Just barely works. It's just here to protect it till I build a chase around it. But it's pretty simple. Just cut off the extra parts that I didn't want. Made a little, I guess this is more of a dog fish for it. And then used this GIMP stuff to go over the rough edges and take the sharpness off of it. Anyway, seems to work. Eventually there's going to be a little chase around there that also will have a bench on it that comes off of the bed that's going to go across here.